Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Floyd. This is my buddy Mr. Mini-Me. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do some lamb chops and some sweet potato mash. But before we get into the video, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with at least one friend. And with that said, let's get into the video. So here we go, guys. My ingredients for my lamb chop and sweet potato mash. This is my lamb chop. It's marinated in some seasoning. You could use whatever seasoning you want. Salt and pepper. Sweet potatoes. Coconut milk. Got a few slices of peach, fine thyme and garlic, and lastly, some chicken stock. So, here we go. Now let's begin. Start with our chicken stock, coconut milk, followed by the sweet potatoes, salt and pepper for taste, fine thyme for flavor. Let that cook for about 7 minutes. Hot frying pan, add our oil, pinch of butter, our seasoned lamb from earlier, fine thyme so we get that flavor throughout the dish. Add our garlic. Cook for about 3 minutes on both sides depending on how you like your lamb cooked. Here I had some leftover asparagus in the fridge, so I combine it to my dish. And I add my peach. I cook that for about a minute. So here's my sweet potatoes. I choose to blend mine, or you could mash yours, whatever works for you, but trust me, it would be the same result in the end. Now we're gonna plate. Start with my asparagus on the plate. Then my sweet potatoes. Yeah, it was a little bit difficult to get out of my little cup thingy. Followed by my lamb. Yeah, and we finish off with our peach, and this is ready to eat. So, ami, which means enjoy in French. Enjoy, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with at least one friend. Hit the notification bell button so you'll be first to know when I post another video. So until next time, guys, peace.